You are welcome to Progressive Recipe. In this place, we cook, we bake, we decorate cakes, and we do different pastry I know you will love. And our recipes are so easy to replicate. Yes, today we are making golden buns. You can call it French buns, but I call it cake buns. It takes like cake inside and the outside is so crunchy and lovely. Yeah, we'll start by mixing our butter and sugar, just the way you make your cake. Very, very easy. You can see all my ingredients listed out. Whatever you want to make, you want to bake cake, you want to make pastries, make sure you're measuring correctly. I have my dry ingredients: flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and a pinch of salt mixed together, and I will set aside. If you don't have cinnamon, please use nutmeg for me. Yes, so mix this cream for a little while before you add your eggs. So take your time to do this, because I know you know about buns, but this buns is a different buns altogether. I can't stop making video of these buns till everyone tests it. Yeah, if you have not tested this buns, you have to make it. It's pretty easy. This is just like a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. It's pretty easy to make, so I know you want to try it. Please tell me in the comment section you are going to be trying this buns. Yes, take your time to cream, and you start adding in your milk and your dry ingredients. Yeah, little at a time, you incorporate every together. Take your time to mix this. Yes, take your time. If you want to get the best out of your cake, your pastries, make sure you're measuring correctly. Yes, make sure you're measuring correctly. I get a lot of questions when people ask questions. You see they are using another measurement, still asking me question. I don't know how you want me to help you. If you want me to help you, please use my own measurement. If there is any problem, reach out to me. I will know where to correct you from, or know where the mistake is coming from. Please use my measurement correctly. Make sure you have a scale, measuring cups and spoon. Very important if you want to be getting things correctly, especially when you're baking, making pastries and the rest. Yeah, take your time to do this. This is very, very important. At this point, you have to even remove the wooden spatula and use your hand, because you have to flog this batter for me. Yes, you have to beat it till it start drawing out. You know it's definitely ready. This video is on fast forward because it has to take a little bit of time for me to like beat before I know the batter is ready. Your batter needs to draw. You can see as my own is drawing. Yeah, it needs to draw before you know it's pretty ready. And so you go ahead to set your oil on fire. Yeah, medium heat is advisable. You can see how it dropped. That simply means this batter is ready. Yes, and please, if you're using oil, please use the best oil. Don't go for oils that have taste. It will make your buns taste change. Or you use oil that you have fried and it's changing color. It's already turning to black to brown or brown or whatever. Please use a fresh oil to get a fresh taste from this buns. Yes, right away we'll test the oil if it's hot before we start dropping out our buns. Yes, we'll check the first one. If it's float up, you know that the oil is ready. Yes, right away I start molding it. I see as my buns is dropping. To tell you this, buns, the oil, the buns batter is good and is nice, so feel free to make sure you get your own right. You can see the buns floating out even without me raising it up. It's coming up on its own. Yes, that is beautiful. We'll first do this little one a bit, because when you first bake, the ones as you bake, as you fry, the first set and the second set to third set is always more beautiful in appearance than the first one. Yes, I've noticed it severally, so I prefer doing a little bit in the first time before I continue. Yes, but not really bad. It still looks good. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Have you liked this video? Have you liked my video? Or if you like this video, if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe, like my video, share to your friends and family that loves good things. It's very, very important your buns is brown, golden brown. That is what we are looking out for. Very, very important. Because if you just brown a little bit to remove it, you will find out that the inside is not well cooked. Don't forget we are using medium heat. So make sure your buns cook very well inside and you get that beautiful golden brown outside. Yes. Tell me the truth, is this buns not looking good? This is looking beautiful. Yes, to you, you might think it's ready. It is not yet ready. So you have to allow it to fry very well so you get that golden brown before you take it out here. But it's really, really looking good. Yes, it. So have you liked this video? Make sure you have liked, share to your friends and family. This is very easy buns to try. Yeah, the best ever. If you have not tried these buns, try it. You will come back to tell me this is the best buns you have ever tested. I know what I'm saying. You know, just try it. I know you will come back testifying. So I'm getting ready to remove now. Look at that. Isn't this already pretty nice? This is looking beautiful. So right away, I will start removing it here and I will start putting the next batch. Yes. Look at how I'm molding. Some people mold their akara like this. Some people mold their puff puff like this. Just the way you do your puff puff. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Yes. Please, if you want to use powdered milk, you don't have liquid milk, just get half cup of powdered milk and 1.5 cup of water. Mix it very well. Make sure the milk melts very, very well. You will now add it in your buns. Yes, if you don't have liquid milk, use half cup of powdered milk to 1.5 cup of water. Mix it and use it. This buns is one recipe that is so direct. There is nothing extra. There is nothing going to remain. You're going to use everything and it will not be excess. It will always be fine. So that is why you need to try this bun. Look at this beauty. Isn't this beautiful? So hope you have liked it. Let's see inside. Oh my God. Look at this beautiful. Like and subscribe. I love you all.